Good day everyone, this is Patrick from EasyFX Code Trading System, and this is Tuesday 27 August 2019, and it's just after 11 a.m. in Singapore, and we'll take a look at the daily analysis for spot gold and dollar yen. Yesterday's candle was a big shooting star, and this could potentially drive it down lower for today as well with a short-term bearish momentum. We'll take a closer look on the 4-hour time frame, and you can see a big gap right at the start of the week due to the trade tensions and the flight to safety. A gap of over 130 pips and shot up to a high one of 1555 right at the weekly R2 pivot level before it started retrace when the markets calmed down and closed the gap and right back to where it started from at the end of last week. So for today, there could be short-term bearish momentum. It could retrace back up to the 200 Fibonacci level, previous swing high down here, and drive it lower towards the weekly pivot area at 1516, 1517, so potentially could be 140 or 150 pips move lower. So we'll see how this plays out. So potential trade setup is watch price action at this Fibonacci level 1533, and we'll see whether there's a bearish candlestick or bearish trigger signal to give us a potential entry and target towards the weekly pivot line. Okay, similarly on the yen, on the dollar yen, it's just the inverse, and yesterday was a very bullish candle, although it did spike lower at the start, but it made a strong recovery back up to the weekly R1 pivot level, and 180, 190 pips move on the dollar yen is quite significant. So on the 4-hour chart, that was the gap down and a drive lower of 90 over pips and a recovery back up of over 190 pips. So it managed to climb back out above the support and spike through the resistance level before retracing lower today now. So we'll see potentially whether there could be a trade setup here from the 105.50 area and a drive back up to perhaps the weekly R1 level, or even higher, back up to retest this previous resistance level, previous swing low at the 106.78 area. So I would probably like to release another video to show the potential setups and give you an idea of what to look out for. But meanwhile, watch out for the dollar yen and the cross pairs as well. Okay, we'll follow up on Thursday for further daily analysis and intraday analysis, and have a good trading week, and cheers.